3 minutes to witness the extreme speed of an intelligent packaging line. From filling to palletizing, every step of cream packaging is a race against time, and every process unites Mittiway's extreme pursuit of intelligent packaging. In the first second, starting from the film feeding system, the film is unfolded, tightened, and automatically transferred, with every inch of the film accurately in place. The 5th second, the film cutter cuts accurately, the section is as flat as a mirror. The 10th second, the film wrapping unit operates at high speed. Each piece of cream is quickly wrapped completely, sealed and protected, locking the freshness from the source. All of this takes just over 10 seconds. Rotary system precisely adjusts the direction and angle of each piece of cream. Double-side crimping is synchronized with millimeter precision control to ensure that each piece of cream is beautifully shaped and tightly sealed. In these 3 minutes, every second is running and never wasted. Facing different forms and sizes of cream products, the production line switches flexibly. The large pieces of cream are pushed directly, without any transit, and are delivered efficiently. The flake cream is automatically arranged in layers by the stacking device, which is tight and orderly, laying the foundation for the subsequent packaging. Automated mechanical arms smoothly relay, picking up materials, feeding materials, box molding, all in one go. The process is compact, and multiple stations work together to ensure that each link is closely connected, leaving no gaps. High-speed spray adhesive to ensure that the sealing edge is dense and without leakage. Covering the box action in one go, pressurized, fixed, unbreakable. In the limited 3 minutes, we are not only pursuing fast, but also insist on stability and firmness. The final step, palletizing into columns. Well-organized, stable, and reliable. This production line, with a cycle of 3 minutes and 1,000 times of perseverance, is only to guard the purity and deliciousness of each mouthful of cream. 3 minutes, not only the speed of the competition, but also the ultimate guardian of quality, Mittiway, focusing on creating efficient and accurate packaging solutions for you.